We've been covering the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition for some time now, and it's expected to be unveiled at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked for Every Fan event on September 23rd. And we've seen a couple of leaks about the device, but this time, Samsung's complete webpage for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition was leaked, courtesy of Evan Blass, and it reveals everything about the device. The variant that was leaked was the US model, so it's 5G ready, and it's gonna have a 6.5-inch flat Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's gonna be IP68 certified for water and dust resistance, and since it's the US variant, it confirms the use of the Snapdragon 865 with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and it has support for microSD expansion of up to 1TB. On the front, it features a 32-megapixel selfie camera embedded in a punch hole cutout, and the punch hole looks really small. I'd say even smaller than what's on the S20 series. On the back, the device has a triple camera setup with a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom that can go all the way to 30x digital zoom. It's also gonna have some flagship camera features like night mode, single take, and super steady mode, as these were also on the leaked webpage. It's gonna run Android 10 with One UI 2.0 out of the box, and I believe this device should also benefit from Samsung's 3 years main Android update support, which was promised at the Note 20 event, but we would have to wait and see. Anyway, this is going to be undoubtedly upgradable to Android 11. It packs a whopping 4,500 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support, wireless charging, and wireless power share. And it's also going to have some exclusive features like quick share and wireless Samsung DeX. But although it's going to support 25 watts, Samsung is only going to bundle a 15-watt charger in the box, which is quite surprising because the 25-watt charger shouldn't be that much expensive. We also got our first live look of the S20 Fan Edition courtesy of Jimmy Is Promo. It has a noticeable chin at the bottom, but that shouldn't be much of a problem because the other bezels are smaller, and the punch hole definitely looks smaller than what's on the S20 series. For the price, according to Roland Quant, it's gonna cost 699 euros in Germany. So using Samsung's previous euro to dollar pricing, we can expect it to come in at $699. What do you think about the design and the price of the S20 Fan Edition? Let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.